Hello, all my subscribers. I am here now to facing with you guys and doing for my first video to my YouTube channels, and I'm preparing for my all ingredients for my banana bread. My friends, if do you have any uh, if I have any mistakes, can you try to comment me because this is my first time. Hindi pa ako marunong, hindi pa ako kabalo. Uh, just try a comment and give me your suggestion. Now, today I will show you for my all ingredients. This is my banana. This is my flour. My brown sugar. I use a brown sugar. Mostly, they use a white sugar, but I prepare brown sugar. If you don't like the brown sugar, just use a white sugar. But I prepare this. Okay? And 2 eggs. 2 eggs. Not over only 2 eggs. Dalawang itlog lang. Okay? Tapos, yung baking soda. At baking soda and also salt. Okay, the oil. I forgot. Okay, the oil. This is very important, guys. Because you know, if no oil, they don't what do you call this? Parang pure. Now, this one, I will put the banana here. 2 cups of banana. But you know what I did? I didn't follow the 2 cups of banana. I put 3 banana. This is my own only. But it's so good after. But you just watching. Tanawa lang ninyo guys. Tanawa. Lami siya. You follow my my own recipe. Okay? I have 3 banana. Okay? This is what I did. Okay. Make sure I show you guys. You need to make sure you wash your hands. Now, I do this. My banana. 3 banana. I always do 3 banana or 4 banana. But mostly, I think, I don't know if how many cups they do for banana, but I only doing for my own. I follow my own style. I follow my own style that sometimes I make 4 or 3, but mostly I use 4. 4 banana. It makes sure that you can taste the banana in it. And it's very nice if the banana is ripe. Very ripe. Kung hinog kayo ang saging, isang pag nalata-lata, even if kahit ano siya, malambot na banana, basta basta banana bread, it tastes good. But my banana is not really ripe. Look, is enough, but hard. Okay? So here, 3 bananas, 2 cups instead, but I will use my own style. 3 bananas or 4 bananas, but I use 3 bananas because it's big. Okay, then this is our bowl to put all the ingredients. I will put the flour first. Yes, that's the flour. You know the flour, before I forget, the flour you use for 1.5. Okay? And the brown sugar is 1 cup. Make sure 1 cup. But I didn't put there. I just put separate because you know why? What I'm doing that? I will show you. Don't worry. I will show you. And this one here, or here. Okay, now the very interesting that I promised to tell you my secret is to blend the banana, to blend this together, the salt, and this one, baking soda. Because you know why? Your banana bread is too moist. It's very nice and tasty. Okay? So I will get my blender. This is my blender. I will mix all ingredients here on my things here. I didn't advertise the name of my blender. No advertise, nothing. I just show you that how I do for my banana bread. Okay, now I'm ready. I will open my blender and I will put my banana. This is my banana. There you go. Now, I will put my egg. Ooh. And after, knock it and put here. There we go. I want to make sure this one is here. The salt. The salt is, remember, half of the teaspoon, the salt. And this one is 1 teaspoon baking soda. I put like this because you know why? I want to make sure it's mixed. And this one is not okay. Also this one, I put in here. Yeah. Here. And you can see what's going on. Yay, there we go. My daughter is very excited to my banana bread. Okay, and you press like this. For the last part here, this is the flour. Remember I told you guys the flour is 1.5. Okay? And the oil is 1.5 cup. Here we go. Pouring it. Ooh, this is the final one. Good. Good. And all here, pour in this bowl and mix it. Look at the texture in it. It's very, very nice. I'm so excited this brown sugar banana bread. I will get another spatula to do like this to make sure that nothing left here. I don't want to waste because you know right now the foods is too expensive. Oh my gosh. Look, 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 look. Oh, nice, 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 nice. That's the one you need to do when you're making your own banana bread. You blend the banana together with the egg because it's very moist after. See, look. Look, look. It's nice, right? Very good. So, I blend the banana and the egg because if they have a lumpy, the banana is not. We'll be back in 2 minutes, okay? Okay, now I am back. Now I'm finished mixing. See, look, no lumpy This one, the other one there is only bubbling, but it's not a lumpy. See, now I will put into our baking, baking things. We put in our banana loaf thing. This is our baking banana. Anyway, look here. Whoa, very nice. Ooh, I guarantee you're excited to watch what is going on. But me too, I'm so excited. See, look, very nice. Yep, very good. Oh, look, look, look. Yeah. Make sure all is clean. And nothing dirty. Okay. Now, when you bake this, I only bake like a, I bake like a 1 hour. 1 hour or 45 minutes. Then if you finish, you need to checking into the oven. You check into the oven, and if you see the brownish here, and for me, I poke a chopstick in it. I poke a chopstick and poke it if it's also cooked inside. But later on, see, look here, very nice. Nice. No lumpy, no lumpy. That's only bubbling, but it's not lumpy. Okay? Now, come here. Now, I will put this into oven. So, we will wait until 45 minutes or 1 hour. Okay? So, we'll be back. See? I put in here into the oven. We will wait until, I just see 1 hour. 1 hour, 45 minutes, okay? Then I will show you also when the brown is. Then I will tell you how to taste it. But you know, you need this chopstick. Look, the chopstick. This chopstick, you poke there. Then, if they have no, like, wetty here, it's dry, means it's cooked. But later, okay? I'll see you in a minute. Okay, now I'm trying to take now my banana bread. Look. Woohoo! Wow. Look at this. Nice one. Look. See? Okay, it's ready. Nothing there. No wet, nothing. It's already cooked. So I'm ready to take it out. And I'm so excited to show you. There. Look. Wow, this is so awesome. Look. Okay. And now I will show you. Okay, just take on something here for okay. Now, okay, we sit a little bit because it's too hot and it's not good to take off right away. Okay, I will try. Almost. Almost the result is okay. Okay? And I will do like this. Look! How nice! Look, the banana and Okay? And here we go. See? Look. Look at that nice baking. Nice and it's not burned. It's very exactly 1 hour. And now I will cut it half. And I will show you the result. You see? The result is very nice. Very, very moist. And I will cut a little bit to try. There we go. See, very nice. Here. Mmm. Very soft and nice, okay? So, see you guys, and I show you already my result of my banana bread. And the result is very tasty. Very nice. You do it and you may like it. Okay? Give feedbacks and try to subscribe me and see you another video next time for another cooking. Okay? Bye!